May peace be upon you. Welcome to our new video on Photoshop. In this video you will learn how you can customize your portrait and also use as a logo for your website, YouTube channel, Facebook page and many more. First of all, open Photoshop. I am using CS6 version. Now open the page by pressing Ctrl+O. Select Quick Selection tool and select the area you want to edit. Now go through Image, then Adjustment, then Threshold. And select Threshold. Now adjust the level. It's time to go to Select Bar. There you can see an option named Color Range. Select that. Do click on Here at the preview image. Now type Ctrl+X on keyboard. Open a new page. The ratio is 1980 by 1040. Type Ctrl+V for pasting the selected part. Then type Ctrl+D for resizing the image. Open a colorful image for making the mask. Now type Ctrl+A for full selection. Then type Ctrl+C for copy the image. Then go back to previous page and type Ctrl+V for pasting the image there. Now click on the right side of mouse on layer 2. Then select Create Clipping Mask. It is already done. You can resize it by typing Ctrl+T. Let's save it. And preview the image. If you have any query then comment below. Thanks for watching this video. Give a thumbs up. Do subscribe. Stay tuned.